In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp Web. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Any modern browser works well, and the layout is designed for a desktop or laptop screen. Once the page loads, make sure the interface is visible and ready. If you're already set up, you'll see your chat list on the left and the conversation pane on the right. We'll stay entirely within this screen. Now, we're going straight to Settings. Look toward the lower left corner of the WhatsApp web window. You'll find a small gear icon there, which represents Settings. It sits beneath your chat list, right at the bottom of the sidebar. Click it once to open the Settings menu. If your window is very narrow, you may want to maximize the browser or zoom out slightly so the gear icon is easier to spot. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. This is usually listed clearly among the menu items. You don't need to change anything else here. Simply select Keyboard Shortcuts. A single click is enough. As soon as you click it, a pop-up panel will appear showing the list of available keyboard shortcuts for WhatsApp Web. This overlay is designed to be clean and easy to read. It groups shortcuts by common actions, like navigating between chats, starting a new conversation, searching, muting, archiving, or marking a chat as unread. If you're on Windows or Linux, you'll typically see keys like Ctrl combined with letters or symbols. On Mac OS, the same actions usually use the Command key instead of Ctrl. If you don't immediately see the shortcut you need, scroll the panel to view the entire list. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep the pop-up open as a reference and test a couple of shortcuts in your chat list so they become second nature. If a shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your typing cursor isn't active inside a message box, because some shortcuts only register when focus is on the chat list or main window. You can also use this panel to compare how similar actions map across operating systems, which is helpful if you switch between devices. When you're finished reviewing, dismiss the pop-up to return to your conversation view and continue chatting as normal. That's all there is to it. By knowing where the keyboard shortcuts live in WhatsApp Web, you can quickly refresh your memory anytime and work much faster without taking your hands off the keyboard.